What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to take a look at this video called Chainsaw Zilla versus Katana Zilla by Picky. So we all know Chainsaw Zilla. We've seen him in the past. And yes, he certainly is a savage. Now I personally have never heard of a katana. I mean, I do know what a katana is, but I don't know, katanas, they're pretty powerful too. But are katanas stronger than chainsaws? That is exactly what we're gonna find out. But excuse me. But just, in a Godzilla version. So, let's just go ahead and see, who's gonna win. Do you got Chainsaw Zilla or do you got Katana Zilla? Me, personally, I'm going with Chainsaw Zilla. There's no way I'm picking against him. It is a flippin' chainsaw, so, yeah. But anyways, guys, let's just jump right into this video and see who's gonna win. Let's get it. We're starting off on a boat right here. What? The Kraken? I didn't know he was going to be in this video. Oh, there's the nuclear waste dumping. What is that going to go on, though? Oh, there's the katana, I'm assuming. Why does it look like a head, though? Oh, well. It doesn't matter now. Ah! That atomic breath looked sick. Okay. I might have picked the wrong guy today, ladies and gentlemen. But let's see. I want to see, the full thing. We got Chainsaw Zilla right here. Looking mad creepy as always. We got the fire right here. Who did that? Oh, of course, it was Chainsaw Zilla, of course. Skullcrawler versus Chainsaw Zilla? Did he just... Oh! Wow! Like that? Wow! Wait. I want to see what he looks like. Katana Zilla. First off, that atomic breath, that's sick. Show me the face. Okay, hold up. We gotta take a look at Katana Zilla. For one, it looks like, that the head, it still looks like, the same. But, the dorsal fins are cool, man, I don't know if I want to switch my pick. You know what? For right now, I'm sticking with Chainsaw Zilla. Who do you guys got? And he blocks it too, dude? Bro. This is just not fair. This should be illegal. Really? Okay, well, Chainsaw Zilla dodged it. Wait a minute. Ah! Bro! Oh, atomic breath from Chainsaw Zilla. Yep. Ah! That's what I'm talking about, Chainsaw. Okay. I told you Chainsaw Zilla is better. I told you. No! Don't you dare rip its arm off. Don't you dare. Ladies and gentlemen, as we can see on our screen right now, Chainsaw Zilla, he has no arm. Guys, who picked Katana Zilla out there? Because, your pick, cause, I might be going with you right now. I might be. I don't know yet. Oh, atomic breath. Ah! Dude! Is he dead? Okay, never mind. He's slowly dying, I guess. Oh! Making one final move. Ah! Did Chainsaw Zilla got him? Did he just get him? Ah! Guys, who picked Katana Zilla out there? Cause, look at your pick now. Your pick is done for. Your pick has been split in half. I mean, there's no way that he comes back to life, right? There's no way. Why was it in a close-up? Okay, well, that was the ending of that video. Now we're going to be reacting to this video called Episode 2, Shark Thorn Godzilla versus Legendary Godzilla Burning Godzilla, Godzilla Cartoon by Gazillod. So, let's see who's going to win this fight. If you remember him in the last video, then, that's some Shark Thornzilla right there. And, he's a savage. But compared to Thermonuclear Godzilla, I'm going with Thermo. That's what I'm going for. Gotta turn the volume up on this one. Oh! Oh my gosh. Wait. Ah! Look at those claws, though. That's what I'm saying. What? Regular Godzilla is a savage. Oh, Beam Clash. You already know in the reaction videos, I love a good Beam Clash. Yep, there's a Beam Clash. I'm not gonna lie. I think that the other guy, it's gonna be stronger. Oh, hold up. Okay, never mind. That one is stronger. Never mind. Never mind. We're good. My goodness. Oh. Hold up. Oh. Wow. Okay, never mind. Godzilla's not dead. He's just badly injured. Right? Okay, yep. I was right. Ah! Bro! Dude! What? My man just picked Godzilla's tail. And... Dude. That is just crazy. Come on, Godzilla, get up. I picked you in the beginning of this video. I picked you, Godzilla. Ah! Dude! Don't fail me, Godzilla. Don't fail. Oh. Thermo Godzilla. Okay. That design right there. Hold up. Bro! Okay. That Thermo Godzilla. That is amazing. I love it. I love it. That is so cool. You already know that atomic breath is not going to do anything to my boy Thermo. But he's going to try... Oh! Another beam clash! Come on, Thermo Godzilla! Yes! Yes! Whoa! That was cool. Is he dead? There's no way he comes back from that. How is this man still alive? Oh, one final blow. Yup, and a thermal pulse. That is where we're gonna end today's video. So guys, if you picked Chainsaw Zilla in the first video, then we clearly won. And if you picked Godzilla in the second video, then we clearly won as well. So guys, if you guys have enjoyed today's video, then hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And also the notification bell. And I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching with me. I love you guys. Goodbye.